This is a 2010 Mercury Milan. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, an inline four-cylinder engine. Plus, having just come off lease, this Mercury is in like-new condition. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a security system, front fog lights, dusk-sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Jack Safro Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1000 East Summit Avenue in Oconomowoc.